Brighton, good afternoon.
My country people, I greet you now. This one and the voice of your homeboy, Prince Dr. Ogiwonyi Brightons. Now maybe the MD CEO and the chief inventor of all Brightons Electronics Company products.
So you will tell us more about your products and the discounts what you say they give for this season, and you see tell us about your automatic changeover devices.
Okay, for Brightons Electronics, first all our products we sell all of them at promo discounted prices. So anyone where you buy, especially those where they buy the one will be the inverter, battery, solar panel combination. Those ones for inside 9 be the one will be say 90 deal per small. So the way we dey do be say if you make a minimum deposit of just 50,000 naira, we go give you the next 4 months till they pay small. But at the same promo price, you go take buy the product even when the promo season don't finish. So what you go do now when you pay finish, you can't carry them. That's you go deposit 50,000, you go pay the rest small as your power reach within the 4 months. But for people who go say they want to use and they pay at the same time, that one have the higher purchase. You will make 60% deposit of the normal price, compare the remaining 40% within 3 months. But if you feel they use our product before, no matter the number of years, no matter the month, so you don't feel they use them before, you go feel return that product, compare the difference in price, upgrade that to a bigger KVA or higher machine. So this Brightons inverter solar panel and wetin dey give you light, you carry your television, fan, AC, ball, depending on the KV or size wey you wan buy. Then as for the Brightons automatic changeover, na 2-in-1 wey be say we design am in case wey be say you dey bring NEPA light or public power, e go fit the automatic changeover go fit help you off generator, carry you go back to public power. Then we get what they call the Brightons automatic switch power on for generator. Na something wey be say if they bring your NEPA, maybe you dey inside your house, your generator dey inside your compound and e far from your room, you go fit from inside your house on the generator wey dey outside, or you go fit from inside your house off the generator wey dey outside. So na 2 different circuit there be. The automatic changeover, that one na to off your gen, carry you go national grid or public power, while the Brightons power switch for generator na that one be say you go fit use am on or off the generator from inside house. So even if your gen na 3-phase or normal phase generator, e go fit work for you.
Okay, now wetin differentiate your inverters and solar charge controllers from others when we say dey market, and I'm not only to wetin still differentiate your batteries and solar panels from others when we say e dey for market?
And you see the most important advantage of our product be say na made in Nigeria product. So if you develop fault, because the truth nothing go last forever.
Okay.
If you develop fault, people wey make the product dey Nigeria with you, e dey easier for you to meet us say wetin I buy e get fault o, and we go help you fix am. If we no fit fix am, we go replace am, because na the manufacturing company we follow dey do business directly. So that be the most important advantage. Then too, the difference between our inverter and one wey dey market, when rainy season come, my country people, we go know how the things be, because the Brightons inverter na wetin be say e get double system thunderstorm resistant facility, e get double system cooling fan, e get short circuit facility wey be say maybe you dey use 1.5 kV, you go mistakenly forget come go on AC, e go shut down, e go hibernate, e no go catch fire, e no go spoil. So that's called short circuit protection facility. Or maybe the panel, our solar panel na 20 years shelf life, our panel na 20 years shelf life. So if you buy the panel, maybe you want to use am for your house, we know say most of our customer maybe not be the get house wey dey stay at that time, you no go need to dey re-earth house wey no be your own, you no need to put thunderstorm arrestor there, because na original panel. We import the panel based on Nigerian weather condition, na so we take do am. But the shelf life na 20 years, but we dey give warranty of 2 years for solar panel. Then for the inverter, battery and the charge controller, those ones warranty na 1 year. Then the battery get Standard Organization of Nigeria certificate and approval, so you can use it with made in Nigerian inverters or foreign inverters or any other one you make by yourself. So you know they need, we no need, you no go need to dey pay for subscription say you wan use our own, or you get your own bulb, you no get your own bulb, na your normal household electronics you go carry, and you go carry your fan, AC bulb, television, depending on the kVA. You go still be get 24 hours constant light, but it depends on the number of battery and the number of solar panel wey you add join am o. Like go fit make you get 24 hours constant light with the solar panel. If you say you no wan dey use public power there, the truth be say e go fit get 24 hours, but it depend on the number of battery, depend on the number of the solar panel too, and it still depends on the kVA of the machine, because if you overload the machine na so e go take dey drain current from battery. So that the truth wey you must know. And if you know say you wan make you dey get long hours, you no get too much money for many battery, you no get money for many panel, the things wey dey most important to you na you go dey on. If you know say you dey parlour, on wetin dey parlour. If you no dey bedroom, off wetin dey bedroom. Okay. If you dey comot for house, off your surrounding light.
Tell us about Brightens alternator booster for pressing iron. Then you should tell us more about this your local bulb, energy bulb wey be say you dey manufacture.
And you see for Brightens Electronics, the LED super saving bulb na wetin be say we design because of people wey dey complain. Hey, go say na so you prepare meter card don finish o, you no know wetin happen. But they go forget say that one no be BEDC fault. If your prepare meter quick finish, that no concern BEDC, because na you dey on fan, na you dey on your fridge comot for house in the morning, you dey go work, you wan freezer down, the bring light come, you no know say the freezer go on, you go work. Then tomorrow you begin shout, hey, the light, the bill don finish, that's why the prepare meter when I buy yesterday. That make Nigerians, we come tell Nigerians say okay, we go help una where our power reach. We design Brightens LED energy saving bulb wey be say e dey come as 5 watt and 12 watt. The 5 watt shine light pass the normal 18 watt energy bulb wey dey market, and the Brightens 12 watt LED energy saving bulb shine light pass the normal 40 watt bulb energy saving bulb wey dey market, or 100 watt incandescent bulb wey dey market. You see wetin we do be say we reduce the power consumption rate, we reduce the input watt of the bulb, come increase the brightness.
Okay, as you increase am so you no go dey die.
No, the shelf life na see 40,000 hours. If you do physics, half life, if you wan calculate the lifespan of bulb na half life for physics, so na 40,000 hours. That means if we get 24 hours for one day and we get 365 days in a year, multiply am before you reach 40,000 hours, that's 5 years, that's 4 to 5 years lifespan of the bulb. You see, up there the truth is that Nigerians are supposed to hail us because this gift I say no that hit for every before I call you. Not the joke
so you mean say this your bulb no dey die at all?
No, e no go last forever. Even Jesus don die. Jesus died. E no go last forever.
Okay, abeg tell us, give us your address and your phone number.
Now Brightens Electronics company dey number 30 Federal Government Guest College Road near UBTH for Ugbowo, Benin City. We dey open our office on Monday, Wednesday, Friday only. Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 10 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the evening, because we dey use Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday to dey do production of product based on our staff strength. If you wan call us for phone, our phone number na 080-894-62794. Make I repeat am, 080-894-62794. Our MTN number na 080-3581-5348. Make I repeat am, 080-3581-5348. My country people, una do.